Council. This is Donggongon Buhaban Square, as you recognize. Now when it rains, at least this place is quite quiet but very dusty. Typical Asian, very dusty. But then you have this curved nice roof. What the hell is a curve? It spent thousands of dollars making curved roof. And the purpose of a roof is to shelter you from the rain, people. But what is this? You have a roof that cannot shelter you from the rain. You still get wet and here. You might as well don't have a roof, man. And this place is never reviewed. Nobody come and review your design, whether they works or not. Now, you know what's wrong with your roof? If it is under heavy rain, all you need to do with the roof is extend it outside beyond the wall. The roof is called an eave. Have you ever heard of the word called eave? It's not Adam and Eve. It's called an eave. It's the extra overhang of the roof away from the wall. Now this year, the roof is exactly on the wall side. And of course, when you have a rain that is near the wall or near the floor, the rain just splash into this area. Unless you cover that with glass, which is also nobody will do. So if you have a roof in a tropical country, all you do is extend the curve a bit outside. Let's say like 2 feet. Here, just extend this 2 feet into the rain. And the trouble with the roof in this, well, Malaysia is that they never heard of the term eave, E-V-E, bawas E-V-E, roof eave. Where is your architect? What kind of architect engineer do you people have? Itu pun tidak tahu. So, you design walkways like this. What for? It cannot protect you from the rain. Bloody useless. Get it? And by the way, Jacob Majalab, don't bother to come and reply. Otherwise, I throw a bottle in your face.